Hi guys. In this presentation, I was looking at an ad from Amnesty International. They are an organization that does research and takes action against discrimination and promotes human rights. It's sort of a bold organization, which is somewhat illustrated in the ad. It's a bold call for peaceful action. And the audience is potential activists who want peace and equality. For the analysis, we'll start with color. The dark colors we can see here in the image also reflect the dark text here. And again, there's a dark text used for the logo. All of that is backed by a yellow background, and we'll look at the contrast that brings here. Now we see this bold and capital typeface. It stands out really strong against the yellow background. The contrast really helps to make the message clear. And the line where the image meets the yellow really directs attention to the message of the ad. For typography, this is a bold sans serif typeface, slightly condensed, making it look a little bit taller, which helps for readability, and also regarding contrast helps it to stand out. I'm calling the new ad here that I created a bold new call for peaceful action, and we'll go in the same order of design principles, starting with color, moving to contrast, and finally to typography. Here we can see I've matched the dark colors of the black and white image as well as the text, and again using black for the logo, and all of this is put against the same yellow as the original ad to make it stand out. We can see how the bright yellow and the black here are so different. It makes the message pop, and also here the contrast between the yellow and the black of the image brings attention to the message as well. For typography, when I was researching the ad, some people on a couple of different message boards said that the font used is one called Bebis. I did a quick search and found the font on dafont.com, and it matched really well. It's a bold sans serif typeface with letters slightly condensed, and that was exactly what I was looking for. So we can see here the quote on the top, and the attribution here underneath the quote, as well as the logo underneath, all use a similar font which ties it in together. To conclude, in designing the new ad, it was important to be able to recognize the design principles that were used. I found that the faster that I could point out the design principles, the faster I was able to recreate those things that were used.